So one practice that I like to do that gets me to really feel vibration is sneezing. And I know that sounds really funny, but when I sneeze, I take full advantage of it and I stop everything I'm doing. I get into my sneeze, I get into my sneeze, I get into my sneeze, into my sneeze, into my sneeze, into my sneeze, and I just, and it just takes over my whole body, and it's just an eruption. And it's like a gift of the universe that I get in just a few moments.